Before this video starts, I just want to give a quick shout out to Daughter for suggesting this video. If you want to shout out on one of my videos, then make sure you leave video suggestions in the comment section down below, and I'll give you a shout out in that video. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Legit Game here, and in this video I'm going to make it so that if you click a button, it's going to give you a tool, but you can only click it once. So if you already have the tool in your inventory, you cannot click the button anymore. You can only have one tool. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to insert a part inside the workspace, and this is going to be the button that you click on, so it can look like whatever you want, as long as it has a click detector inside of it. So let's go and do that now. Right, so insert the click detector, and you can customize it. You can change the range, the cursor icon if you like. So now I'm just going to insert a script. So it's going to be a time lapse as usual. Make sure that you type everything I type and you get all the capitalization correct, because Roblox scripting is case sensitive and it'll probably not work if you type something different to mine. Alright, so let's get started the time lapse. I have forgotten already, but you need to get your tool that you want to give your players when they click the button. So I'm just gonna get a sword from the toolbox. It doesn't need to be a sword, it can be anything that you like. So I'm just going to get this sword made by Roblox. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drag this into server storage. You can put it into another place like replicated storage or lighting, as long as it's a Roblox service that can be accessed by the server. So I don't think you'll be able to put it in sound service or anything like this. But just put it in server storage just so that it definitely works. Alright, so let's get back to the time lapse. Alright, so this is the script done now. The reason I did the same line here but I just changed it to start gear is because it actually if you put it in the backpack, it actually puts it in your inventory. But if you say start gear, then you'll still make it so that you have it if you die. So if you reset your character or you die, you'll still have the tool. So if you don't want this, you can just get rid of this line. But I want it, so I'll just keep it. Alright, so let's head into the game and test this out. Alright, loaded it in the game now. So if I click on this part, it's going to give me the sword. If I click on it again, it's not going to give me it. So if I drop this sword, and we can disable that if you like, and I'll be able to get it again. So now if you want to disable it so that you can't, make it so that you can't drop the tool, you need to go to your tool and find can be dropped, and then just uncheck that. And let's head back into the game and test it out again. Alright, loaded into the game now, and let's click on the part. Right, so I've got this tool. So if I try to drop this, it's just gonna unequip it. It's not gonna let me drop it, and it's still not letting me grab a new one. So that's pretty awesome. So this is going to be it for today's video. So if you learned from this video and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, then make sure you like, subscribe and turn the bell so then you'll be notified when that video comes out. Also remember to leave video suggestions in the comment section down below for a shout out on my videos. So this is going to be the last video probably until the end of the week now, because I'm going back to school Wednesday. So I'll probably be tired and I'll probably have some homework to do, so I won't have time for YouTube on Wednesday. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.